Hello everyone. Being born and brought up in Assam, one thing that I am privileged is being able to taste delicious Assamese food every day. Assamese cuisine is known worldwide for its simplicity and unique taste. Today, we are going to cook one such unique dish, which is kumura di hahor mangkho in Assamese, or duck meat cooked with ash gourd. The preparation of duck meat with ash gourd is very simple and every home of Assam prepares it in their own way. I am going to cook this recipe just like my mother used to cook it often. Also, I am going to cook it in open flame for a more authentic taste. Heat a kadhai and pour mustard oil. Let the oil heat, then put bay leaf, chop onions, green chilies and chop ginger garlic and fry it all for some time till onion turns golden brown. Then pour the duck meat and mix properly. Put another spoon of chopped green chilies, black pepper powder, turmeric, salt and cook on low flame for some time. You can see the meat is releasing a lot of water and oil. Put the diced ash gourd and potatoes and give a nice mix. Occasionally give mix else the masala will get stick in the bottom. After around 15 minutes the ash gourd will be cooked properly. Add little bit of water if required and cook for another 5 minutes. Keep the gravy as per your requirement and also check the salt. Our duck curry is almost ready. At last, add fresh coriander and give a good mix. A delicacy like duck meat is often cooked on special occasions like Bihu and enjoyed with family. This dish is paired best with steamed white rice. I hope you like this recipe. Also share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.